Yo, I just want to give you guys some fire right now because it's in the top of my mind. One of my clients, we always went. I mean, we were discussing how to market on social, and I said to them, I don't think that we should buy ads on social. And people might say, well, everybody would say, well, that's what we're supposed to do. But listen, let's hear me out. I don't think we should buy ads on social. What I think we should do is we have over 1,500 SKUs of product. Let's do a video of each product daily. Doesn't have to be crazy edited. Daily. Put it on social. Build a fucking organic following because each SKU, if you broke it down, could give you 30 to 40 videos. So now we're talking over the course of the year, we're talking millions and millions, millions of content. Just think about it. 1,000 SKUs, each SKU could be broken down to 30 videos. And then add-on parts. So, we're talking one SKU, endless, unlimited. She said to me, you're not the marketing manager. And in my mind, I'm thinking, you don't have to be a marketing manager to understand day trade attention. What is day trade attention? Something I'm going to steal from Gary Vee. Day trade attention is I know what the fuck is going on. So if you hire me as a consultant to come in and promote your brand and you run a black clothing company, Gucci just gave you a softball over the middle of the fucking plate. Right? You could then run ads against Gucci and talk about how great being a black designer and an all-black company in fucking Black History Month and use Gucci's fuck up as a way to push your brand. You don't have to be a genius or go to school for marketing to day trade attention. If you're a construction company, right, and you want to grow, you fucking every video you do, build the wall hashtag. You're a construction company. Yeah, we're going to build a fucking wall in front of your house, but the attention in the world is fucking Donald Trump building a wall right now. So you got to use that attention, figure out how could you use that negative attention to positively grow your business. Also, maybe because she looks at my social and go, well, this guy only has 2,600 followers on Instagram. You know why? Because I'm fucking social. Everybody in the city of Boston knows me. And if you don't know me, you could pick up the phone, send a text message. Hey, do you know Bobby Shakes? Yeah, that's a crazy dude that takes photos and says wild shit on fucking social media. So I technically am one of the only people, very few of us in the world, that over the last 20 years have built a brand. And I'm more famous in real life because I'm fucking social than hiding behind my iPhone, liking your photo, so you like my photo, so I could follow you, so you could follow me, so then I could unfollow you, so then you can unfollow me. That's so fucking tiring. That is so fucking tiring. So the point of this video is, you have to know when to say to a client, this ain't fucking working, yo. I gotta get the fuck out of here. And I walked away from 50,000. And I know 50,000 to a lot of you ballers is gonna watch this. Oh man, yo, 50 G's, yo, I fucking blow that shit in the fucking club every weekend down at Bijou and fucking Cure, man. I fucking pop bottles, fuck bitches, blah, blah, blah. 50 grand is a lot of money to walk away from. But it's not about the fucking money. It's about me as a creative helping you build your brand, taking your brand to the next level. And walking away from 50 grand, I'm able to do videos like this. Someone may watch it and say, that kid is smart, and then hire me to go on board with them to build their brand. So never, ever, ever be scared to walk away from a fucking deal. right? Never be afraid to say, fuck it. Let me go out. It's going to be tough. I'm not going to front 50 grand. That means a lot of fucking money. I need 2 red cameras. Each red camera is $45,000 a piece. So basically, I just lost a red camera. I need a red camera to create better content to make more fucking bread. So now I have to find 50 grand to buy my camera. Actually, I need 100 grand because we need 2 cameras. But never be afraid. Trust your instincts. It's in your gut. It's just like how your girl knows that you're fucking cheating. It's in her gut. You know that this situation is not right. It's in your gut. These shits are in your gut. Follow your fucking instinct. And if you do that, you'll be historically correct. That's it. That's just the fire that I had on my mind, man. Just fucking walk away. Never sell to the unsellable.